Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Akshay and today we're gonna make a very easy fish based recipe that anybody can cook, and the customization on this recipe is insane. You can customize anything on this thing. It's a tutorial video as well. If a person wants to try something new on his fitness diet, they can cook something new as well, and they can have something healthy and tasty as well. So we will start the recipe, and if you guys haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel, because 55% of the people who are watching my channel, they don't subscribe to it. So please do support my channel because it will help me a lot. So let's start it.
All the ingredients are in front of you. For this recipe I'm gonna use salmon because it have a lot of omega-3 and it is very healthy and have a lot of protein as well. I'm using 500 grams of salmon with 127 grams of protein and garlic cloves. It is up to you how much you want to take, and some frozen vegetables. You can use fresh vegetables as well, but make sure that you need to boil them as well. And I'm using for the sauce honey and teriyaki sauce. If you don't have the teriyaki sauce, you can use soya sauce as well, it will work the same. And the other thing that I'm using is basmati rice. It's already cooked so that I can make this video smaller, and 3 eggs. So guys, we will start the recipe. For the vegetables, you need to make sure that you properly boil them, and as I always say, before putting the oil on your pan, make sure take a little bit of oil and use a brush to brush the pan surface with the oil, so that you can use less oil, and it will make sure that you will have less calories from the oil and can increase the amount of food that you want to eat. It is always beneficial to use the brush because it will reduce the amount of calories that you're gonna put inside as oils. After that, make sure you heat up the pan a little bit with a medium flame and put your fish on top of it. As you can see on this hyperlapse video, you can see that the fish has started to remove its own oil and water. When you can see this type of reaction happening, you can understand the fish is about to be done. And when you flip the fish and you can see it's golden from one side, then just give it a go for 2 more minutes and it will be done from the another side as well. When you can see the fish is done, make sure you cover the plate with a paper, so that once you remove the fish from the pan, all the oil will be soaked on the paper and it will be ready to be served in some minutes. Be careful while removing it. And once you remove the fish, put some garlic cloves in it, roughly chopped, and let it stay on the pan so that it will turn to golden brown. Till the time the garlic is cooking, we will come to the eggs, and I remove 1 egg which is not been mixed, and the other 2 eggs I mixed it properly. As you can see, I'm putting the oregano and chili paprika powder. If you don't have those things, you can change it with any other powders that you have for cooking, and mix thymes and normal chili powder will go as well. If you want to put salt, you can put salt as well, it's your personal preference. And as you can see, now the garlic is golden brown. Now you can put your egg mixture and make it as a scrambled egg. Just keep on moving the egg so that it will be properly cooked, and once you can feel it like it's properly cooked and there is nothing uncooked left inside the pan, just let it stir, and then you are ready to put your rice on the pan. And make sure once you are about to put your rice, the eggs are properly cooked, and then put your rice in it so that the rice will be properly warmed up. And while stirring them with the egg, make sure you will break all the big chunks of rice so that while serving it you don't feel it. And then put your boiled vegetables on top of it and mix them well. Warm them together so that they will get mixed together properly. And once it's happening, we will go and mix our sauce for the dish. For the sauce, I'm using 1 spoon of honey. Honey have a lot of antioxidants, and we will use 1 spoon of teriyaki sauce. If you don't have teriyaki sauce, as I told you, you can use soya sauce as well. And after that, mix them properly so that it looks like a proper sauce and ready to be served on top of your dish. And once it is done as well, the egg that we left, put that in a pan and cook it in a sunny side up way. Be gentle with the egg because it's gonna be our garnish and it will look very good once it's properly cooked. Make sure that you don't break the egg yolk. It will take just some seconds to be cooked on a sunny side up way. Just don't overcook the egg. As you can see in the hyperlapse video, the egg is about to be done. And as you can see, everything is done. I plated the fish on the plate, and now we're gonna stuff this bowl with some rice and make sure that it will have the proper shape. Make sure you will stuff the rice properly so that the rice will take the shape of this bowl. And once it's done, place the bowl on your desired place where you want to place the rice. As you can see, you just need to make clockwise movement so that you can release the bowl. And now we will place the sunny side up on the top of rice, and it will be the cover of your rice. As you can see, now it's properly done, and you can use your sauce that you made. And make sure once you are putting it, you put it in a fashion as done in the restaurants, and your dish is ready. As you can see, this is that easy and anybody can cook it. It looks fantastic and I cannot wait to eat it, and you can use some nuts as well with it.
So guys, the recipe is done, and I hope you like the video. It's very easy, you can make it too. And if you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. It would be great for me, and like it too as well, and share it with the person who don't know how to cook it. So we'll see you in the next one. Take care guys.